Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use ChatGPT as a Hebrew translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. Start by easily entering your Hebrew text into the conversation. Use the request, translate this into English to start the translation, and then press the Enter key to continue. Observe how ChatGPT skillfully reveals the essence of the Hebrew words through a quick and accurate English translation. Nevertheless, this is not the end of the linguistic investigation. Should your curiosity lead you to look up for the Hebrew equivalent of an English term, the procedure nevertheless adheres to its usual elegance. The same as before, say, translate this to Hebrew before entering the English text you want. Watch as ChatGPT skillfully answers and presents the precise Hebrew translation without any trouble. Although ChatGPT's capabilities are absolutely amazing, it is crucial to understand that accuracy can change, especially in complex situations or when using sensitive terms. A wise course of action when faced with important issues is to consider a second opinion. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.